Hi guys, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style. Here click on Change Wallpaper, and now pick either something from your own photos, one from on-device wallpapers, or if you do have your network connection active, you'll be able also to download some new wallpapers. But let me pick one from default pictures, for example this one. Here you can take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen. If you like it, just mark confirmation mark, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only or both home and lock screens. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.